Okay, today we'll be reviewing the new Veeniix V11 drone. It's a new drone from Veeniix. In the box. Front. Nothing on the bottom and nothing on the top. Nice little plastic bag. Nice blue case also. Oh, very nice. Okay. Okay, just a little padding. First of all, let's see what we have in the zippers. Two zippers. Oh, okay, and double bags. Put this here. Let's see. So the first zipper only brings this. Okay, the landing pad. Nothing else. Nice little protective sleeve for it. Okay. So that's only in the bigger zipper. The second zipper we have some extra propellers, cable, another cable, USB-C, USB-C, both of them. Okay, USB-C to, what is that, the Apple? Okay. Oh, that's sad. Okay, USB-C to the micro. Okay. Just some screws. I think that's for the thumb. Okay. Instruction manual, flight guide, and safety disclaimer. We'll be reading that a little later. Here's your manual. Very well written. Okay. Okay, so here's the drone. Let's look at what's included. Okay. First, get the batteries out. So we're gonna have two batteries included. Looks like the Roku battery, but different color. I have to check that to see if they're the same, if it works with it. Okay. Let's look at the remote. Nice little rubber grommets here to hold the phone. Okay. Let's see how to hold my old phone here. Huh. Those siding might cause an issue with the buttons. Or maybe not. Doesn't seem, no, yeah, I don't think it would. Might be good. Okay. And here you have where the cables get plugged in. Okay. Oh, so you're gonna have two of these cables. Okay. That's a backup. That's not bad. That's nice. Okay, there how compact that is. Here are the thumb joysticks. Okay. As far as the screen, it does look like the Roku. Give them two versions of it. Okay. Okay, nice. And it uses USB-C to charge. Okay, that's nice. Okay, now the main piece. It's a drone. The V11 drone. Look at that. Is there anything else in the case? No. Again, I have to say, very nice case. Very well molded. And looks like it will protect the drone very well. Okay. Does look like a lot like a thicker version, bigger than the Roku. Okay. Oh, nice little protective cover. Keep everything together. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, so, no, okay, well, that's nice. That is different. It's actually a lot bigger than the Roku. I wonder what kind of sensor that is. The battery compartment. Okay, so the battery, so you get two batteries. Nothing else inside except the description of the battery type. Okay. Now the battery, I have to admit, is very light. V11. Okay, some instructions there. Nothing else. Okay. This off. Just like the other one. Feels like you're gonna break it, but you don't. Okay. Okay, I'm curious to see the weight on this. The actual weight with and without the battery. Okay. I'll look at the scale now, but as far as the drone itself, feels light, but feels very sturdy. Made very well. I'll do my first flight on it. See what I think about it. scale. Okay. Okay, let's put it away some. Well, okay, so here's, I'm not going to put the protector on. I want to know what it weighs without anything else. Okay, 362 grams, 12.75 ounces. Okay, grams is good too. Let's see again. 362. Okay, now with the battery. Okay, I'll zero it out. Okay, 601. 21.20 ounces. 1.32 pounds. 601. Yeah, not bad. Okay, definitely has to be registered. Well, of course, a big drone, but